welcome to Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Today we're drawing something fun with Kimball. Hey Kimball.
Hi.
What are we drawing today, Kimball?
Tom Brady.
Tom Brady. Who is Tom Brady?
He's the quarterback for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers.
He's currently the quarterback, huh? So Tom Brady is one of the greatest football quarterbacks of all time in the NFL. Do you think that's right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we thought it would be appropriate during football season to draw Tom Brady, a Funko Pop style for kids, something fun and easy. Tom Brady, did you know that Tom Brady leads all quarterbacks of all time in passing yards?
Yeah.
Yeah. What else does Tom Brady lead all time?
Super Bowl rings.
It's probably Super Bowl rings. How many does he have?
7.
7? He just got one with the Buccaneers last year, and most of them he's played for the Patriots, huh? He also leads in passing touchdowns all time. That's pretty good. He's probably the best quarterback of all time, do you think?
Yeah.
Cool. Well, thanks for joining us on Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Tom Brady is coming your way. Okay, everybody, welcome to Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Grab your black marker, find point, and find the middle of the page with your imaginary line. And we're gonna draw Tom Brady's chin first. It's gonna be, we're gonna go down, in, up, over, and up. What do you think of that? That's hard?
Yeah.
So go down, angle, do kind of 2 little bumps for his chin. Good. Then angle up, and then straight up. Nice work. Awesome. Okay, we'll do it 2 ears. 1, 2. Now let's do his hair. Sometimes he has spiky hair, so we'll do 1 spike, 2 spike, 3 spike, 4 spike. Just kind of make it look like Tom Brady's hair. There you go. You can do it any way you want, as long as it kind of looks spiky. Good. That looks awesome. Okay, let's connect his hair. So here's some sideburns. Come up. Down to his sideburns. Good. So now we're going to draw some fun, round, kind of Funko Pop eyes. 1 eye, 2 eyes. You can make some circles, color those in black. Kind of cartoon style. This is just a kid's drawing, making Tom Brady in a fun style, huh? Is Tom Brady your favorite quarterback? Just kidding, don't answer that. He's one of them. Good job. All right, let's do a little, we'll come back and do, actually we'll leave it as is right now. Okay, keep your black. We're gonna do the jersey. So, his neck comes down to a point. Okay, and now the shoulder pad is going to come out of this chin area, so we'll go boom and boom. Big shoulder pads there. Okay, we're going to do a sleeve and a sleeve. Okay. Nice work. It's looking good. Let's get you a different marker. That thing is kind of drying out, I think. Do you want to do this one? Okay. And on this sleeve, we're going to do a black stripe. And over here, do another back stripe. Good. I'm just kind of outlining the neck area. Okay. And now let's do the jersey coming down here. The jersey coming down to a point. Not really a point, but it kind of comes down on an angle. Good. Should we do the number? The number is going to be kind of hard. It's kind of detailed, so actually we'll wait to do the number. We'll do that last. So let's do the arm. We're going to do an elbow, elbow, we draw a big football right here. He's holding this big football, kind of a egg shape, football shape. His fingers will be holding on. There's 1 finger, 2 finger, 3 finger, and 4. Nice. And now his elbow is going to connect into this football right here. So come straight over, connect. His other hand right here, let's have him wear some, what do they call that? A wristband, okay? Can you make him have a wristband there? And here comes his thumb. Do you like that marker, or do you want a different one?
I like it.
Okay. So his thumb is coming out of that wristband like this. And his other finger is coming up. It's going to connect down to that thumb. Good. Now the couple other fingers poking out the back. There's 1 and 2. Now what do quarterbacks wear on their waist to keep the water off the football?
Like a rag.
Like a rag, kind of a towel. So we'll draw a towel going up there. Nice. And his pants coming down, his leg is coming down here, up into the towel. His other leg coming out here, up into his waist. You can draw some black socks down here, color that part in. Same over here. Black socks. Cool. I'm gonna reach around here and let's draw some. Should we draw some big shoes? I'm gonna draw these big cleats. How's that? Big giant cleats, because it's fun. It's a cartoon, right? You can make your cleats sharp. I'm just making mine kind of bumpy. What do you think of that?
Good.
Cool. All right, so let's do the number 12 right here. Tom Brady's number 12 for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers, and this is kind of a, we're gonna go over. Okay. Get you a new marker there. Down, down, over, all the way down, over, down, over, up, over, and all the way up to the top of the 1. Okay, now the 2 is, we're going to go over, Angle down. Down. Over. Up. Over. Down a little bit. Over. Angle down. Down to the bottom. Over all the way. Up. A lot of angles on this one. Up. And we're going to angle this connection right here. Boom. Okay, I think we've got our outline of Tom Brady. Now what we're going to do is we're going to color the hair brown, his face and his skin kind of a fleshy pink color. And then the jersey, we're going to do a dark maroon Tampa Bay Buccaneers style with an outline of a little orange. And then the gray pants and some red shoes and a brown football. You ready to do this? Say fast forward.